Okay, welcome back guys. In this video we are going to solve the fourth pattern problem in our Striver A2Z DSA sheet. So in this video we are going to solve the following problem which we can see on the bottom of our screen. So the problem is, given the input of 5, we have this following output. So based on that we must have write a program depending on that. Okay, so as we can see from the input, what I have told you guys, that always try to create a relation between the input and the output. So based on the relation between our input and output, we can say that if we draw a box around the output, what we can see that for each and every line, let's say this is line number 1, this is line number 2, this is line number 3, this is line number 4, this is line number 5. What we can see that for each line there is that number, that line number is on the output, and that number will be present that number of times. Like if the output, if we are at line number 2, if we are at line number 2 then if we are at line number 2, then the output would be 2 2 2. If we are at line number 3, there would be 3 3s. In this way the line number is directly proportional to what we are going to print on the output, and also how many number of times that element is going to be printed. So without further ado, we can dive into the code and its logic. So if we take a for loop blindly, because we have to print the number of lines either way. So for I in range 1 to n plus 1, as the program starts from 1, so we are taking 1, and as we know in Python, this will actually work to n. This loop will work until n. So this way we can dive deep into the code. Then let's declare a string. This is really important, guys. We don't have to actually use the word stl. Let's use the word s. S equals to, let's do this, str of I. We are type changing the I into something, and then as you can notice there is some little bit of space in between. So due to that space we can declare a space also in our program. We have to actually declare a space, so we can declare the space after adding these two. What will it do? It will do something like this. At the line number of 3, let's say, the output would be 3 and a space. This is a space. This is a space. This would be our string. This would be our string. 3 and a space, and this would be our string. And so according to this, we have got which part? We have covered this part. But in the output we need 3, we need more 2 more 3s, right? We need 2 more 3s. We need 2 more 3s. Sorry for the hazy pattern. So yeah, we need how many more 2s? We need 2 more 3s. So how can we do that? We can do that by doing this, as I have told you before. S equals to S star I. This, what will it do? It will make the S like this. For I equals to 3, it will make our program, our string look like this: 3 space 3 space 3, and there would be another space, and that would be all. So now if we print the S, if we just print the S, our job would be done. This is the code. Now this is the pseudocode, or you can say the full code. Now let's jump back into the GFG portals where this question is hosted. So here we are back here into the GFG portal, and we are going to solve this problem. So we can blindly write a for loop for I in range 1 comma n plus 1, and then let's say what we were going to do. We were going to do something like this: type changing I, also adding a space, and then let's see by printing it if it works or not. Let's see, got it? Yeah, finger crossed. Let's see, it works. Okay, so I have made an error here, so yeah, it works now, completely fine. Okay, so we have an error here. What's the error actually? So I have actually made a really rookie mistake. I have forgotten to multiply it with I times. We have our basic structure of the code, but I haven't multiplied it yet. So now you can see the code is here, and we are going to submit it. Let's hope, finger crossed, the code works. Yeah, the code works fine. Thank you so for watching the video. If you want to comment and ask some question about it, you can do it in the comment, and if you like and share and subscribe, that would be really helpful. Otherwise, you just watch and enjoy. Okay, bye, have a good day.